Top 10 non-edible plants for stylish and fresh decor. If you think kitchens are only for cooking, think again. Thanks to the addition of some gorgeous non-edible plants, they can also be vibrant spaces filled with life and color. These plants not only enhance the look of your kitchen, but also improve air quality and bring a sense of calm to this busy area of your home. Whether you have a sprawling kitchen space or a cozy nook, these top 10 non-edible plants will add a touch of nature's beauty without the fuss of harvesting. Number 1. Spider plant. The spider plant is a champion of adaptability and one of the easiest houseplants to grow, making it perfect for kitchen spaces. It thrives in indirect sunlight and can tolerate occasional neglect, ideal for the busy cook. Its arching leaves and baby plantlets bring a quirky charm to any kitchen. Number 2. Boston fern. Known for its lush, feathery fronds, the Boston fern adds a splash of verdant green to any kitchen setting. It prefers high humidity and indirect light, making it ideal near a kitchen sink or in a well-lit bathroom adjacent to the kitchen. Regular misting keeps its leaves vibrant and fresh. Number 3. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant stands out for its ability to survive in low light and very low water requirements. Its waxy dark green leaves reflect sunlight beautifully, easily brightening up dim kitchen corners. This plant is not just pretty, it's practically indestructible. Number 4. Peace lily. While the peace lily is known for purifying the air, its striking white blooms are the real showstopper, adding elegance to any kitchen space. It thrives in low light and only needs watering once a week, making it low maintenance and perfect for a kitchen environment. Number 5. English ivy. English ivy is perfect for creating a green curtain over kitchen windows or cascading down from shelves. It effectively filters out airborne toxins and grows well in moderate temperatures and medium sunlight, making it a practical kitchen decor choice. Number 6. Rubber plant. With its glossy, dark green leaves, the rubber plant is a bold choice that can grow quite large, making it a focal point in spacious kitchens. It requires medium to bright light and only occasional watering, aligning well with the minimal care routines of many homeowners. Number 7. Cast iron plant. As tough as its name suggests, the cast iron plant thrives in low light and requires minimal care. Its long, dark green leaves bring a touch of understated elegance to any kitchen setting, perfect for those who prefer a less is more approach to decor. Number 8. Dracaena. The Dracaena is known for its dramatic foliage and air-purifying qualities. It comes in many varieties with unique leaf colors and patterns, allowing you to match your plant to your kitchen style. Moderate watering and indirect light will keep it thriving. Number 9. Philodendron. Philodendrons are celebrated for their heart-shaped leaves and trailing growth, making them ideal for high shelves or hanging baskets. They adapt well to various lighting conditions, although they prefer a humid environment to flourish truly. Number 10. Snake plant. Last but certainly not least, the snake plant is almost indestructible and can grow in low light and dry conditions. Its upright, sword-like leaves make a strong architectural statement, perfect for modern kitchen designs. Thanks for discovering these gorgeous, non-edible plants that can bring style and freshness to your kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow plant lovers. Which of these plants would you love to add to your kitchen? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're ready to start growing your own herbs, check out this video on top 5 foolproof herbs for beginners. Always remember, and until next time, life is better when you garden.